Hi, I'm Billy Lim. I'm the founder and CEO of Si Manja Pet Grooming Spa. When it opened, I thought to myself, hey, I think it would be a great place for the Si Manja team to come out of our little cave and come out and socialize and network with entrepreneurs from all walks of life, from different business industries. We have definitely grown our business over the last 6 years thanks to this facility. And also it was through this venue that I've learned about the Baiduri MSME account. It has helped to catapult my business to the next level by tapping into digital banking services. And we definitely garnered a lot of business opportunities through the hub, where we met a lot of aspiring entrepreneurs and also connections. So if you have never been to the Baiduri Enterprise HUB, please feel free to use this space. It's comfortable, it's clean, you have lots of friendly staff and amazing people around here from all kinds of business industries. You never know, you can learn one or two things from these people.
Hi, my name is Ryan Sufyan. I am the founder of Heritage Bakwa and the co-founder of 27 Supply Co. So Heritage Bakwa is the first local producer of halal bakwa, which is made from chicken meat, and 27 Supply Co is Brunei's premier sneaker and streetwear store located at the Mall Gadong. For Heritage Bakwa, we don't really have a proper office space or a proper workspace, so I think we mainly utilize this space to meet with clients, talk with other peers, and use this space as a working space and just get things done here. I came here for a meeting with Baiduri, and then when I came here, I was like, wow, what is this space? It looks like a very New York loft style working space. So I thought it was a really interesting space, and they basically told me that this space is actually free for business owners or any other business people to come here and network and meet, and you can sign up for absolutely free. So I think that was a win point for me.
It's already been 1 year where I contact directly with one of my mentor, Isalu. So he introduced me the Baiduri Hub, and along the way I got a financing scheme for MSME. Ever since I have joined the Baiduri Hub, so I have gained more valuable insight, knowledge. I have joined various events, so I get to network along with the mentorship with one of the officers here. So from there, it helped me to accelerate my business growth. Before I joined the Baiduri Hub, I have never joined any MSMEs program like this. So from here, I've learned a lot.
Hi, my name is Bash Harry, and I'm the founder and CEO of the Harry Knit. I think the Baiduri Enterprise Hub has impacted my business greatly. For one thing, it's given me a location where I get to work with really great Wi-Fi, and the location is great as well. Not only that, it has helped me a lot when I'm meeting new clients or new partners. We get a space where we can openly talk without worrying about making noise or even affecting any other businesses. It's just us. They give a lot of talks and events that I think has helped me immensely as a small business owner. For one thing, these networking opportunities have helped collaborate and meet with other like-minded individuals, where we get to talk about the challenges that perhaps we're not able to see in Brunei.